This is the Easy Exit adjustable center table. First, familiarize yourself with the parts of the table, especially the adjustment knuckle and the horizontal arm. This shows the table in the stored position. Note that it's already attached to the driver's side base. To bring the table to a usable position, loosen the adjustment knuckle on the horizontal arm. Now flip the table to the position you would like and open up the table from its closed position. Once you have it in the position you'd like, go ahead and tighten the adjustment knuckle. Both the table base and the table itself can be tightened to provide more friction. To store the table, simply loosen the adjustment knuckle on the horizontal arm, fold the table back in towards the driver's side seat, and angle it vertically so it's supported by the floor. You can add tension to the adjustment knuckle to help it stay in position while driving. The table is now stored with easy access through the center aisle. Thank you for your purchase of the Easy Exit adjustable center table.